A financial advisor to constantly follow market changes and make decisions quickly.
A financial advisor needs to be an investor himself. Otherwise, how can he give out advice to others?
A financial advisor needs to be dependable.
A financial advisor is a person that knows absolutely everything about money.
A financial advisor needs to be competent and experienced.
A financial advisor needs to have an impeccable reputation.
Hello, my name is Michael Bazilinsky and I am a financial advisor. I help my clients professionally manage their money and recommend the most advantageous investments for them.
There are people who spend money. There are people who earn money and then invest it. There are people who use money to place bets. But what does a financial advisor do?
Financial advisor takes care of your money and investments. Whenever my clients have questions about the money, they turn to me and I provide them with a solution or at least opinion.
Who are your clients and how do they find your telephone number?
My telephone number is only available to successful people. I'm joking, of course. I have a website and it lists my telephone number. Jokes aside, I have a wide variety of clients. Some of them are owners of large companies. Some are young professionals at the beginning of their career. Some are retired and require very careful management of their finances. Some are the ones who inherited money. It is a small world, and my number travels from one client to another.
Why would investors trust you?
Short answer is trust has to be earned. I let other people comment about me and my performance as a financial advisor. But there are some other factors to consider. I am in the business for over 30 years, while average career lasts 3-4 years. I have some clients that have been with me since 1983. Quite a few of my clients refer their friends and relatives. On top of that, a number of other professionals, such as accountants, lawyers, and others, don't hesitate to refer their clients and friends. I think it speaks for itself.
How long must financial advisor and his client think before pressing the buy or sell button?
To think is our job. As far as pressing buttons, this occurs only if we achieve our objectives and investments reach our target prices. Each investor has his or her own unique situation. So it makes sense that investment portfolio of different investors will all vary. Portfolios are created based upon individual objectives and goals and current market conditions. That's why every single day I try to be on top of what's going on in the world and financial markets. I read specialty publications, watch all day long a business channel, CNBC. Each day starts with the Wall Street Journal, best newspaper in the world in my opinion. I notice trends, analyze the situation, see how the events unfold, and this helps to formulate investment strategies for my clients.
Can a financial advisor guarantee his clients a peace of mind?
No, I don't think so. We can't guarantee anything, but what I could do is to recommend my clients investments that match their objectives and goals and also risk tolerance. It helps my clients to get a peace of mind.
What is the connection between the financial market and blood pressure?
When the markets are not performing to our expectations, it could lead to elevated blood pressure and other ailments. So it is a very important part of my job to determine each client risk tolerance. But sometimes unforeseen events overcome logic and lead to market decline. For example, terrorist attack on the World Trade Center in New York on September 11, 2001 caused a substantial drop worldwide to financial markets. Another example is market crash on October 19, 1987, when New York Stock Exchange lost almost 22% in one trading session. At times like this, most people panic and more often than not make a mistake of selling everything at the most inopportune time. These are the times when I had to convince my clients not to sell into the panic. It is plain common sense. Whatever you do when you panic will prove to be wrong. What is a common denominator for all the crises is the lack of liquidity. When there are overwhelming majority of sellers versus buyers, prices of securities drop substantially. It is my job to explain to my clients that good quality investments will come back in value over time, and inevitably they do.
What does a financial advisor do when it's a rainy autumn day and leaves are falling outside?
Well, if leaves are falling, we need to wait for 5 minutes and then certainly buy. I'm always glad to discuss all your questions over the phone and in person. All the best.